Welcome to the Pluto science class! We finished exploring Venus! Mission completed!
Now it's time for our next adventure.
I can't wait to visit planet Earth! Are we visiting Earth today?
Yes! Today we'll explore our amazing home, planet Earth.
Let's start our Earth adventure!
Hold on. Our journey begins now.
Wow! Our classroom is turning into space! We're flying to planet Earth! Look! I can see Earth!
We're almost there. Get ready to meet our amazing home.
It's even more beautiful than I imagined. Hello, planet Earth!
Hello, explorers! Welcome to your beautiful home.
Let's discover what makes Earth so special.
Which planet are you?
I'm the third planet from our bright sun.
Right between Venus and Mars.
Why are you called Earth?
My name comes from an old word meaning ground or soil.
That's a perfect name for our home planet.
Why do you look blue?
My oceans cover most of me, so I look blue from space.
That's why everyone calls Earth the blue planet.
Earth, what's hiding inside you?
4 amazing layers help keep me alive and strong.
Let's discover each layer together.
Do we live here? Yes!
My thin crust is home to every plant, animal, and person. Everything we know exists.
On this tiny outer layer.
It's so huge!
My mantle is my biggest layer, filled with super hot moving rock.
The mantle slowly moves and helps shape Earth's surface.
It's moving like an ocean!
My outer core is liquid iron and nickel that never stops moving.
That movement helps create Earth's magnetic field.
Is this your heart? This is my inner core.
Solid iron and nickel. Even though it's incredibly hot,
We've reached the very center of planet Earth. What's around you?
It's my atmosphere.
a blanket of air protecting me.
Without it, life couldn't survive on Earth.
Where's the weather?
Weather happens low down, while the ozone protects us higher up.
These are Earth's 2 lower atmosphere layers.
We're almost in space!
These upper layers protect me and welcome spacecraft.
Now we've explored Earth's entire atmosphere.
Why is Earth special?
I'm not too hot or too cold. I'm just right for life.
That's called the Goldilocks zone.
What's protecting Earth?
My magnetic shield blocks harmful solar particles.
It helps keep our planet safe every day.
How do we breathe?
My plants make oxygen, helping people and animals breathe.
That's another reason Earth is perfect for life.
Why didn't my ball float away?
My gravity pulls everything safely toward me.
Gravity keeps us walking, jumping, and playing.
Why is it day and night?
I spin every day, so one side gets sunlight while the other rests in darkness.
That's why we have day and night every 24 hours.
Why do seasons change?
My tilted axis changes how sunlight reaches different places.
That's why we enjoy spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Who's flying around you?
That's my moon! It circles around me every month.
The moon is Earth's only natural satellite.
Earth is so beautiful!
I'm your only home, and every part of me is special.
Let's always love and protect our amazing planet.
How can we help you?
Plant trees, save water, and always keep me clean.
Small actions can make a big difference.
Thanks for visiting me!
That was an amazing adventure.
I'm ready for the quiz!
Ready for today's quiz? Ask us?
Yes! Yes! Ask us!
Question 1. Which planet is called the blue planet? The answer is Planet Earth!
Did you get it right?
Great job! Subscribe to Pluto Science Class, and I'll see you on our next space adventure.